Men, how do you respond to the unsolicited vag pics that flood your DMs? Only DMs containing photos of cunts for me are political spam. It's really frustrating, to be honest. Every time I get a text it's like playing Russian roulette but with V-pics instead of bullets. Is it gonna be a pic of a new sweater my grandma just knitted? Or is it a V-pic? Maybe it'll my cousin showing me the new car he bought. Or maybe it'll be a V-pic. I've begun losing my sanity. I can't play on my phone for 5 minutes without it buzzing like Bumblebee on Double Nectar Tuesday. They haunt my dreams. I see them every time I close my eyes. I even see them in everyday objects. Tried therapy, but the therapist just ended up sending me V-pics.